Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tabile, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys how you can design your own CV or resume at home. So without wasting more of your time, let me just get into the video. The first thing that you want to do is you want to go to your browser and type in canva.com. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description below so that you can just click on it and it's going to direct you to the website. You want to make sure that you are signed in with Canva, and this is totally free of charge. So now that you are signed in with Canva, you want to go to your search box and search for resume template. So you just type in resume. So once this is typed in, it's gonna give you a different template for resume that Canva offers. And then as you can see here, there are some templates that are paid that you're gonna pay for them. And then the one with the crown, those ones you can only use it if you have a Canva Pro. So if you are like myself, you are just using Canva with the free version. You can also be able to create different things with Canva, and in this case you can also be able to create your own CV or resume using your free version of Canva. So the next thing that we have to do now is just click on any free version of the templates that is available here, and then we can just edit the information and input our own details, and then we're gonna be good to go. So let's just quickly search for the template that we want to use for today's video. So I'm just going to click on this one. I think we can use this one. This is like nice. And I'm going to delete this second page. So for me, I do prefer for a CV to just be one page and just try and include all the important information on that one page. So we're just gonna use this template, and how we're gonna edit this template is you just click on it, you just click on any text, and then you can just edit the template. So you can do this for all of the sections that are available, or you can add your own. You can change the titles and input in your own title that you want to put there, and replace the one that are already there. You can also move this all around. For example, if you want your work history to be here, you can do that. You can take this and then you can place it somewhere else. And then once you're done, you want to click on share, and then you want to click on download, and you want to search for file type that is PDF standard if you're going to send it online. Or if you want to print this out, you can click on the PDF print. So once you're done editing the template and you are satisfied with the result, you can just click on the share button to download your CV file. And then you want to click on the file type. Make sure that you use it as a PDF standard if you're going to be sending it on online. But if you're going to be printing this document out, you want to make sure that you click on the PDF print. And then once you've selected the file type, you want to click on the download, and this will instantly download the file onto your mobile or into your computer if you are using a computer. So for myself, I've created a CV or a resume using Canva, and this is the one that I've created for myself. If you're interested in using these templates that I've created for myself, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below, so that if you click on the link, it's going to direct you to the template, and then you're going to be able to edit and input in your own information, and then it's going to work for you. So that is for me today, guys. If you did enjoy today's video, please don't forget to click on the like button, and also share this with your friends, your family, with whoever you think is going to benefit from this video. And also please do click on the subscription button, and that's going to help grow my channel, you guys. So thank you so much for today. Thank you for watching my video. I'm going to see you on my next video.